down for first gear. And then just very slowly lift, very slowly on again.
How do I stop when I want to stop?
Pull in the clutch. And just do a little bit of brake there.
Okay.
It's alright. It's going to take some getting used to.
Yeah.
It does.
I'm just scared, like, I'm not going to be able to stop.
You will.
Like, I'll be like,
Alright, I'll run along next to you. Yeah, harder.
Whoa. Go, Justin.
Yeah, pull in the clutch.
oh, I got to pull in the clutch?
Yeah, anytime you gear, pull it in or it's just going to die.
Okay, so I have to pull in the clutch and then stop? And
Yeah.
the engine will still be running?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got it now. Where's it got his foot out?
There you go.